Hey guys, Tom here. Pretty serious video today. I for a long time have been a avid follower of Warren Buffett. Um, Investing in the stock market is something that I've really enjoyed, but in more recent times, as many of you know, the stock market is down quite dramatically, and it's become very clear to me that the strategy just isn't working. My portfolio is down. I'm losing money left and right, and to cut a long story short, what I've done is I've sold everything and I've gone completely into Bitcoin. Bitcoin is something that I've been quite outspoken on when I've gotten the question of whether I own it, and I've said it's not a productive asset, I can't value it, all these different things. I think it's just a giant speculation. But there's no denying that it's been the best performing asset class over the last 5 years. It's up around 2,000% in the last 5 years, 80% in the last 1 year. And it would simply be irresponsible of me not to have all of my money in Bitcoin. In one of my very earliest videos, I said that if stock prices ever got cheap, I would be going to extremes to get cash so that I could buy those cheap stocks. I said in one video, I think I even said I'd sell my couch. I have sold my couch, and I've also put that into Bitcoin. So that's where I'm at. I had a plan in place for a long time. I've thought that several of the stocks on my watch list have been very, very expensive. And because of that, I've continued to put cash aside and wait for an opportunity. Now that the opportunity is there, though, it's clear to me that stock market investing doesn't work. I've put the cash into Bitcoin. I think it's going to $1 million probably sometime in the next week. $1 million of Bitcoin. And after that, I plan to retire and move to the beach and go fishing. So, not much more to say other than that. I apologize if I've disappointed anyone by making this video, and I wish you all the best in your future endeavors. Of course, this is not financial advice. Don't follow me just because I'm going into Bitcoin. I mean, it is almost guaranteed that it'll be at $1 million in a week, but nothing's guaranteed out there. So make your own decisions. I really don't know if there's anything more I can say. I would say, hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one, but I just don't know where we're going from here. So that's it.